Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to navigate the Hinge dating app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hinge app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. The first screen you will see is the home of Discover screen. Here you can scroll through profiles of potential matches, tap heart icon to like someone, tap comment icon to like and comment on a specific part of the profile. At the bottom, tap the chat icon. This is where all your conversation appears. Tap a match to open a chat and start messaging. You can send text, GIFs or voice message depending on the options available. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here you can edit your profile, photos, prompts and details. Check your account settings, see who like you if you are having Hinge preferred premium. Tap the heart icon at the bottom to see people who liked you. Premium users can see all likes at once. Swipe and interact regularly to get more matches. Update your profile often for better visibility. Use prompts and comments to start interesting conversation. And that's it. Now you know how to navigate the Hinge app on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.